In this video, we get onto the boat again and head to the next island in Fiji, Long Beach Resort. We also play around in the water, go snorkeling and explore the landscape. We have been out traveling around to many different islands outside Fiji, but we're now heading to the Long Beach Resort on the big Awesome Adventures boat.
Back on the boat again, we made it! We are still here on the boat because we couldn't get to the first island because of the reef and the low tide. When the tide is too low, then you can't actually get all the way into the island.
We finally got on a smaller boat that would take us all the way into the island.
We are just now getting into Long Beach Resort and we have to walk the rest of the way. We are getting ready to go on a snorkeling trip.
Woo! The Long Beach Resort is located a 3-hour boat ride from the mainland of Fiji and the ferry terminal called Port Denarau. I had been up in the trees getting some coconuts.
Fiji style of eating coconut. Here we have a spoon and the inside of the coconut.
Now it was time to go for a snorkeling trip. We got on a boat and went out to one of the reefs. There are many incredible reefs located just outside all of the islands. I found a really cool underwater tunnel. There it was again, the Fiji God ring that you can buy from my website. We had some fun playing around in the water just outside the beach. We got back onto the boat and started heading back home.
Here we have the village at Long Beach Resort. Time to play some volleyball.
We were the only people at this resort, which was kind of strange. A lot of the other islands we went to before this had a lot more people.
We just played some volleyball and now the sun is about to set.
We had some bad luck with the weather and unfortunately we didn't get a very nice sunset. The island is not very big and the only thing there is the resort.
It's dinner time here at Long Beach. What's up? This is the coolest guy I've met since I've been in Fiji.
Bula bula bula.
Bula bula bula.
Okay, are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Ready?
After dinner we were about to play some games.
Shoulder, knees and toe. Head, shoulder, knees and toe. Bottom. Are you ready?
I am ready, always ready.
You ready? Yeah? You ready? Come on, come on. Make some action.
I'm ready.
Okay. Knees and
We
toe.
were all having a great
Head,
time at this
knees and
resort.
toe. Head, shoulder, knees and toe. Be fast. Head, shoulder, knees and toe.
Go Bennett! Let's get some firewood for this fire.
This size of firewood we usually cook human body.
If you have the brightness and everything. Yeah. Two beers on the Sophia and Coke.
One of the girls was suddenly gone, and at first we were joking about it, but we really couldn't find her.
We lost one of the girls. We don't know where she is. She left with one of the
she's gone.
But yeah, where's has she gone to bed?
No.
No, she got taken.
Found our friend, but the next day we woke up at about 4:30 to go and watch the sunrise from another island. The sunrise is very early in Fiji and you have to wake up at about 4:30 in the morning to see it. Please follow me on social media and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.